Hello guys. Thanks for joining us for today's video. I'm going to show you how to create README files like the ones you see in this video. First, head over to the link on screen. It's also in the description. Click the button in the top left and go ahead and fill out the configuration however you like. I recommend playing around with it. It's pretty user-friendly and easy to get. Once you're happy with the result, you can use this README file anywhere you want. In this next section, I will show you how to set up a README for your projects and profile on GitHub. If your GitHub profile looks like this, you are missing out on the easiest way to impress recruiters and other developers. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn that blank page into something like this. Usually, you have to write complex markdown, find weird URLs for badges, and mess with spacing manually. I got tired of that, so we built that tool we used earlier that does it all visually. Let's dive in. First, if you don't know the trick, GitHub has a secret feature. You need to create a repository with the exact same name as your username. For me, that's nicholasxdavis/nicholasxdavis. Go ahead and create a new README file in that new repository. This is the special file that GitHub will automatically display on your main profile page. Now, let's fill it up. Head over to the URL shown on screen. Once you are here, on the left, we have our controls, and on the right, a live preview. I will start by entering my name, username, and a bio that I would like to display onto my GitHub profile. You can also display current statuses like what you're working on, what you're learning, or even something casual like ask me about my cat. Next, let's show off what we know. Instead of hunting down SVG links, just go to the stack section. I'll toggle React, Tailwind, JavaScript, and maybe some Python. Everyone loves stats. In the widgets section, I can turn on my GitHub stats card, my contribution streak, and even my top languages. If you don't like the colors, just hit the drop-down. Let's go with the Tokyo night theme. Now, let's add some personality. I built in a Jiffy picker right here. Let's search for a coding GIF and drop it in. Oh, and this isn't a static template. The center panel here is a full code editor. If I want to manually change the order or add a custom link, I can just type right here, and the preview will update. Now, if you're happy with how things look, go ahead and copy everything in the editor. Then go back to that repository we created, click the pencil icon to edit, paste your code, and commit changes, and that's it. In less than 5 minutes, you have a professional profile that shows off your work, your stats, and your personality. I've left a link to the tool in the description. Have a good night, people.